In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving trigonometric indefinite integrals using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you'll be able to solve any problem involving trigonometric indefinite integrals using this calculator. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video, guys. You are going to learn a lot. Alright, so before we get started, let's quickly look at the questions I have here to practice with you guys and see what we're asked to find. Alright, so question 1 says evaluate the indefinite integral of minus cosec square theta dx. These are the options. Question 2, find the indefinite integral of s cos x ds. These are the options. Alright guys, after solving these two questions with you guys here, you'll be able to replicate the same process or solution on any question of the same format you encounter dealing with trigonometric indefinite integrals. So guys, this video will be very useful to you for your multiple choice calculus questions involving integration. Alright, so let's get a calculator now and get started. Okay, so this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now the very first thing you have to do is to reset the calculator. The essence of doing this is to put the calculator in default mode to remove whatever previous value or mode you might have placed the calculator on. So to quickly reset it, all you have to do is to press the second button, then press this plus button. Want to reset all, press 7. Press RAM, you press 1 to reset RAM, very important. Then press 2. Okay, so once you do it, it will clear RAM cleared. We are good to go. Press this clear button. Okay, so the next thing you're going to ensure to do will be to put the calculator in radian mode. By default, this TI-84 plus used to be in radian mode, but if yours isn't in radian mode, perhaps is in degree, all you have to do to switch it to radian mode is to press this mode button, then scroll down with this navigation button. So once you get here, you see radian, and at the right you will see degree. If yours, for instance, is in degree, all you have to do is to switch it to radian by pressing this left arrow key. It will go to radian, then press enter. Once you do it, it will change from degree to radian. Alright, but by default this one is already in radian, so we are good to go. Let's press clear and begin to solve this problem. Alright guys, now the next thing you are going to ensure to do will be to store a number. Very important. This is the idea here, guys. The idea behind solving indefinite integrals, whether trigonometry or not, is to store a number, of which I highly recommend 2. Alright, the essence of storing this number, particularly 2, of which I recommend, is to use it to simplify or evaluate a question and then use the same stored number to differentiate the options to get your answer. Alright, now you can choose to store any number you want, but I highly recommend 2 because I've practiced with it for a long time now and I've not found any error with it. So to store 2 on this calculator, all you have to do is to press the number first, 2, then press this STO button. So once you store it as X, you press this button for X to come out, then press enter. Once you do it, it will indicate that this value has been stored as 2 on this calculator. So we are good to go. Right now, we're going to use this number we stored to simplify the question or evaluate the question. So let's look at the question. It says evaluate the indefinite integral of minus cosec square theta dx. Now if you note something, here I wrote note cosec theta is something as 1 over sin theta, sec theta is something as 1 over cos theta, cot theta is something as 1 over tan theta, where theta is something as x. Now guys, these things are very important. On the calculator, there is no cosec, there is no sec, there is no cot. So since we don't have these 3 identities on the calculator, we're going to replace them with 1 over sin theta, 1 over cos theta, and 1 over tan theta respectively. Okay, depending on the trig identity we are dealing with. For instance, we are dealing with cosec in question 1, so there's no cosec in the calculator. We're going to replace cosec with 1 over sin theta. Alright, so instead of doing simplifying cos x squared theta, we are going to replace it with minus 1 over sine theta square. Alright, let's do it so that you guys understand it better. So we are going to replace minus cos x squared theta now with this trig identity here. Alright, now if you press this minus button, you're going to see answer. Alright, it's not meant to begin with answer, so don't make use of this negative sign button here so you not get the wrong value, guys. Very important. So let's clear this. Then look at the right negative sign I'm going to make use of. Press this one. So we have minus in fraction. Bring out the fraction button. We press alpha this trace button. One fraction, we press this button, y equals to button. Then the fraction we are looking for is under 1. So we have in fraction 1 over sine. So theta, we replace it with x, close the bracket, then put the square because this question is having square. Put the square here. So that's it, guys. We are good to go. Let's press enter now and see what we're going to have as an output. If you do anything outside what I've done here, you get the wrong value. Alright, so guys, this is the right step to follow to get the right output. So we have minus 1.209. Right now we are going to differentiate the options. Anyone that gives us minus 1.209 will basically the answer to this question. Is as simple as that, guys. So let's clear this. Okay, so let's bring out the derivative function on this calculator. To do this, you press this alpha and this window button. So derivative is option 3. Press 3. So d over dx, you press x for dx. Very important, guys. So right now let's begin with option A. What do we have there? We have minus sine square theta plus c. Alright, the plus c is just a constant. You're not going to add it in your values you're inputting on the calculator. So we're going to differentiate minus sine square theta now. Alright, so we have minus, make use of this minus sign, guys, or you can choose to use this one. Now this one will work. Let's try this one. So we have minus sine square theta, which is the same thing as minus sine theta. We replace theta with x. Okay, then we will close the brackets and then put your square. Press this button. So this is it, guys. So let's go here and put the 2 restored. Very important, guys. So press enter and see whether it will give you minus 1.209. Syntax error. So this is the wrong option. Press 2 to go back. Okay, so let's just delete everything here, guys. Let's just delete everything we have here. Delete everything we have here. Okay, then let's delete this one and let's delete this one. Okay, let's delete the s we have here. Okay, let's delete the sign or the negative sign. Okay, delete the sign symbol here. Alright, so let's check option B. We have cos theta over sin theta. Let's check whether if we differentiate it, whether it will give us minus 1.209. So it's in fraction. To be on the fraction button, press alpha and this trace button. So we press y equals to button. So we press 1. Alright, so we have cos theta, which is cos x. Okay, close the brackets, over we have sin x, close the brackets. So the brackets are balanced. The 2 restored is still here. So let's press enter now and see whether we're going to have minus 1.209, and that will be your answer to this question. Minus 1.209 exactly. So guys, option B is the right answer to this question. feel free to check option C, but I know that you get the wrong value for it. So it's as simple as this, guys. This is how you can deal with problems involving trigonometric indefinite integrals with this TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Very interesting, guys, for a multiple choice question to help you to save time. Alright, so let's practice more with the second question before we call it a class so that you guys understand it better. Alright, so let's clear this. Okay, so guys, before we start question 2, if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like and comment on this video, guys, to tell me how you feel about what you're learning from this video. I really appreciate that, guys, and it helps the YouTube algorithm to push out this video to more people to notice it. Alright, so having done that, guys, let's go ahead and solve question 2. So it says find the indefinite integral of s cos x dx. So right now we're going to simplify s cos x and see what it's going to give us. After it, we differentiate the options to get the right option. So let's simplify s cos x. Okay, the dx is just standing for function. You're not meant to impute it in a calculator, it's just standing for function. So let's simplify s cos x. So we have s cos x cos x, close the bracket, very important. So press enter. So we have minus 0.83. Right now we're going to differentiate. Anyone that gives us minus 0.83 will be our answer. So let's clear this. So to bring out derivative function, press alpha and this window button. So derivative is option 3. So let's begin with, let's put x here first. Then option A, we have derivative of s sine x, and so that it will give us minus 0.83. Okay, let's check. So we have x, alright, sine x. Alright, so you have to balance the brackets. You close the brackets here, guys. Very important. Always ensure that the brackets are balanced, so that you will not end up having syntax error. So we have s sine x, that's it, plus c. No need putting the c there, just a constant. Then come here and put the 2 restored. We are still making use of that 2 restored because we didn't reset the or clear the calculator, so it's still functional here. We press enter. No, we had minus 0.83 thereabouts. Okay, so let's check option B. Let's clear this. Option B is none. Alright, so let's check option C. What is there in option C? S tan x cos x. Okay, s tan x cos x. Let's clear this. So we have s tan x cos x. Alright, so we have x tan x. Close the bracket here before we put cos. Then we have cos x. Alright, so close the bracket. Check whether they are balanced. We have 1, 2, 3 at the left. We have 1, 2, 3 at the right. So it's balanced. Come over to this place and put the 2 restored. Alright, guys, very interesting. Let's press enter. No, let's check option D now. It has to be option D, and after it's basically to give us the answer, but let's verify. Let's clear this and go back to derivative function. Alright, so put x here. So we have s sine x plus cos x. Okay, so we have x sine x. Okay, so you close the bracket before you put your plus. We have plus cos x. Close the bracket, check whether they are balanced. So we have 3 at the left, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 at the right as well, so it's balanced. So go back this place and put the 2 restored. So we are good to go, guys. The plus c is not part of what you're going to impute. Alright, it's just a constant there. So let's press enter. Minus 0.83. Confirm. So guys, option D is the right answer to this question. It's as simple as this. So this is basically how you can deal with problems involving trigonometric indefinite integrals using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator fast for multiple choice questions involving integration. Alright, hope you learned something interesting from this video, guys. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure you hit the subscribe button right now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I have explained in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done to put it in default mode. All you have to do is simply press second button, then this plus button, then 7. Press 1 for all RAM, press 2 to reset. Okay, so RAM cleared. We are good to go, guys. Click on the end screen above now, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.